Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has won two of the most coveted awards at the Irama Award show for 2020. Viewers and subscribers, Best Male DJ/Rapper for the year, and also the Peter Tosh Award for Recording Artist of the Year. And without a doubt, the year not too long start, but one thing for sure, Vybz Kartel has dominated the charts with new releases. That is a fact. Even when other artists decided, say, due to what take place right now, we're not going to release no new tracks. Very few artists chose to release new tracks. The teacher, viewers and subscribers not only give us an album, but countless chart-topping hit singles consecutively topping the charts, whether it be streaming, whether it be trending charts, or iTunes charts. We see the teacher even as recent as February go up on the Billboard charts. Some other artists nav them charts. As a matter of fact, Mavado is only awarded Best R&B/Hip-Hop Collaboration Reggae Song because of the Holy Mountain track. And that's a feature track featuring names such as Buju Banton and the Gargamel himself, Sizzla Kalonji, the Dada. And remember, it was on DJ Khaled's album, so we can't really say a Mav push that. Talk no man. We can just say him happened to be a part of an award-winning production. His name was just added because it was a featured artist. But Vybz Kartel, single-handedly, these awards are awards we have to win for individual contributions to the music. Best Male DJ/Rapper, the Peter Tosh Award for Recording Artist of the Year. Start, man, and we have to say these tracks, man, now stop say it, were previously recorded, so that even speak to the artist's genius. The fact so we can have songs that were pre-recorded and them can drop now and still top the charts and even win awards. Some other artists not have no talk when it comes to achievements. I notice them rather take to the gram instead of taking it to the studio and putting in the work so that them can earn these accolades. Them want to see the king with the crown, and because them currently behind the bars and the throne look empty, them feel like say yeah, them can campaign with them team and tell people say them are the king, or even say oh there is no king. You're wrong. And we talk about the numbers, and we talk about the accolades, the achievements. Vybz Kartel have them, and not just mere speculation. We not just say this because our artists. No. The proof is in the pudding, as what them would say. And the award, viewers and subscribers, two of the most coveted awards when we talk about Irama. When we talk about the Irama Award show, the only other coveted award is the Emperor of Reggae and World Music, the Honorable Bob Marley Award for Entertainer of the Year. And it's a Gaza student get it, a Popcorn get it, viewers and subscribers, and talk the truth. Currently, teacher top the charts same way, but because I'm behind the bars, you know, performances. When we say Emperor for Reggae and World Music, we mean somebody will go out there and perform, and the people must see them. You know what I mean? They must shake hands with the people, and just because the facts say, we need this for settle. Them need to free the teacher like immediately. Because at this point in time, we can say this: the best recording artist and the best artist is currently behind the bars. If that artist was released and able to do shows here and there, well, we know what going on worldwide right now, currently. But, you know what I mean? This too shall pass. The teacher would also receive that award as well. Talk, no man. Food for thought. Big up all other dancehall artists whose name was on the list. As I say, MVP in the day. Well, Mouth there because of that feature track there. Holy Mountain from DJ Khaled them. Other than that, them there. Big up Chronic Law, best new entertainer. Yeah, big up the Law Boss. We see the freestyle, it's not normal. We see the normal freestyle that show creativity. Pan the block with the ones, no pen, no paper. Let's go in and articulate from the mind. Big up Spice, best female DJ. And of course, we know our mama that. Yeah, man, we know more Spice that. We don't have a question that. You know what I mean? As I say, Emperor for the music, Emperor is a male figure. So maybe that's why she didn't win the award. Maybe if there was an Empress of reggae and world music, how we do all go on right now, maybe there should be an award, an Empress award, because an Emperor is a male figure. So maybe, I don't know, maybe that should be something to consider. You know, a woman empowerment, the thing there. So maybe that's something to consider, I don't know, but best female DJ / rapper, Spice that. You know what I mean? Yeah, Bossy going well too. Sean Paul them. You know what I mean? Rapture, that feature there with the governor specifically. And the best song, Toast, Coffee Again, best female vocalist, Coffee Again. Chronics get the Jacob Miller Award for best male vocalist. And you know what I mean? The Della Move track there, you know the something go. Yeah, for me, hear the title of that track, the Della Move, and not normal. Big up Chronics, definitely I put in the work. As I said, Popcorn being awarded Emperor of Reggae and World Music. Big achievement. Something for discuss maybe in a different vlog. I don't know, maybe. Something for discuss. Big achievement for Papi. Just saying. You know what I mean? Three of the most coveted awards, the top coveted awards, are Emperor, the Peter Tosh, and the Jacob Miller Award. You know what I mean? And a Chronics, Vibes, Cartel, and Popcorn. A Sen Catching artist, them twin. Well, Papi wasn't born in Sen Catching, but you don't know where Sen take up music. So we can't say that. You know what I mean? Sen Catching them start for pursue music. Seriously, I know Sen gonna take it as a career. Same thing for Chronics. Same thing for Vibes Cartel. So it's definitely a good look. You know what I mean? Yes. Definitely a good look in our music right now. And as I would say, we need to see awards of this nature. Because people like to make talk. And like to say, oh, for them artists I do this and for them artists I do that. But in truth, everybody songs are sell. Everybody I make music, everybody I drive Benz. And everybody youth I got prep star. Just like what the teacher said. But when we talk about achievements and what they do for the music pan a whole, as for the genre, we're gonna talk about uplifting the genre as a category of music. Very few artists contribute anything at all. The teacher not only help other aspiring artists, but also producers as well. Very few entertainers can make that statement there. And say, yeah man, the producer there, and we help them out. And say, alright, Ray, look on Russian. Russian is currently signed to Universal. I drop some of the biggest hits in a lot of music right now. And when you hear a Russian song start, a Vibes Cartel voice is still here. Because I'm still a pay homage and remember say, oh, at the teacher, when no other artists a yard never want voice for Russian. A teacher say, I mean, we are give a track. Same thing for TJ. Right now the amount of rhythm a TJ drop will feature artists from all over. But at first him say one artist alone decide say no, we are give a verse. And him say a Vibes Cartel. Him say when nobody else now listen to him rhythm them. The teacher say, yo, what you mean? Hear the creativity. Sissy, you ready for the road. We are drop a track. And the rest was history. Right now, TJ, one of the biggest producers in a dancehall music currently. Same thing for artists. Popcorn. Oh, bring Popcorn on the scene. Of course, a Vibes Cartel. And a nothing normal. Very few artists can say them things. That's why I big up the teacher and big up the accolades and big up the... Recently, we hear a statement make say, oh, there will be a crowning at a big showcase for reggae, dancehall and international music. This is proof, say, if another teacher them a crown, well, it don't make no sense. It's just a next event. Them just put on a performance so that people can enjoy themselves and probably give them something to talk about. But the best recording artist and the best DJ are the teacher. So I'm gonna say how them could have crowned another artist as king. As a matter of fact, some of the names that they mentioned have not even won any award since the year start. And so one of the biggest dancehall award show, the Irama award show, and them names are on the list. So how can they even be considered for kingship? And them now win the award, them now top the charts, them now have not hit singles currently in 2020. I just food for thought. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but you don't like the reason, of course, you don't like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified about all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too as well. For me like, we drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also located right there. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, it never lack yet. Just be mindful and respectful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the settings. Outmove settings for me when I need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love and prosper until the reason again.